Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence Channel. So let's look at what happened in the market today and what is the trade setup or outlook for future, which is tomorrow. So currently, HS Nifty is trading around 15,875, which is almost close to flat or 10 points higher. Dow Jones 30 points higher, and Bank Nifty, Nasdaq is also considerably higher. So considering US markets today after Powell's statement said that US economy recovery hasn't progressed enough to begin scaling back stimulus. After the statement from the Fed chairman, then the US stocks started moving up. It's a broad-based rally, and global cues are getting right to a positive stage. And again, coming to gold, there was a fear that there may be an early tapering happening earlier, but now again the chairman Jerome Powell raised the fears as the tapering is nothing to do with inflation. So again, gold also gained considerably higher. And oil, if you see, oil fluctuations is there, but that is fine. There is not much changes into that. So today morning, when the global cues were bad due to crude oil, so that was the only worry. Market may be fluctuating for a while, but it was very strong move today. Once again, we were bullish since last week, and that was again reflecting. And you can see this is doji candle and a red candle today. Yesterday there was a small uh, hammer candle, and today you can see it has almost reached the high of 15,900. So it is hardly another 50-60 points. It may take away 15,932, and I'm expecting that to be happening either tomorrow or Friday. And I continue to be bullish, so nothing much to worry. So again, it is very clear now. Market is ping pong or playing around this area. As I said earlier, this is a solid demand level, and this is the supply level. So earlier you can see whenever it reached 5 times at this level, six times at this level, market started. I mean, like the supply level, market started to react and started selling on this juncture. But today you can see even after the uh, I mean like a small pullback on the downside, market sustained 15,850 levels, and it is solid. So if you see, there was a huge unwinding happening in 15,900 and 16,000 levels. 15,850 and 15,800 is acting as a huge support. So market may not fall until unless there is a huge negative either from global or local. So any fall again it may get arrested at 15,700 levels. You can refer my previous videos. I clearly explained that the fall has been already arrested. So market may move higher. So that is what happening in the market. So everything work as per the data and not as per our predictions. So the data says that market may move higher. So coming to the heavyweight index, Reliance again today underperformed. Anything below 2080 and 2090 levels, it will keep underperforming. That is a sell zone. So it has to recover on this area and move to 61.8% retracement extension levels. HDFC Bank after 3 days selling, 2 days yesterday it is like a hammer candle, today like a doji candle. But the HDFC twins since yesterday they are performing good. They are been on support. It means that there is a buying from both by FIA and DAE on the heavyweight index. ICC Bank, ICC Bank again broke away the highs and sustaining above 660 levels. So already it has broken 643, which is a huge resistance. Now this will act as a support area. So any fall it should get arrested here and then will push on the upside. SBN back to 431. So it is sustaining above 88% retracement extension levels. Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank started to recover. Axis Bank above 770 levels. Next is 777. So it almost made 775 today. 773, 775 today. Tomorrow it may break 777 or maybe like day after tomorrow. So in coming sessions, banking sector, I was keep on reiterating it is now the turn for banking sector to lift the index, Nifty index. So that is what actually reflecting in market. So there is no other external factors to pull up. So all the other heavyweight index on Nifty 50 stocks had performed well in the past. So only Bank Nifty was underperforming. So it is a time for that to perform. And now the time has come post the COVID unlocks. So now there is a demand for loans from both retailers and infrastructures. So the demand is picking up. So that should, I mean, like push the banking sector on the upside. TCS, yesterday I clearly pointed out, I mean, like day before yesterday, 2 days back, I think so. I clearly pointed out around this area, 3,200 levels, it should be 3175. That should take as a support. And exactly yesterday, it took support at 3175. And now it started moving on the upside. So anything above 3215, it should be a good entry level. And then it should hit 3254 on the upside. Bajaj Finserv again today made an all-time high. So day by day it is starting move, I mean like started to move up. Infi results on the way, and you can see market and Infi closed more than 2%. So it's a good sign that market may, Infi results are good, and Infi may show up another 1 to 2% or 1.5% tomorrow. Currently, US ADRs also is showing that it is almost a 2% up. Emphasis almost a huge upside today, made close to 184 points and 8% upside. So all the IT stocks today were performing good, and auto sectors, all the auto sectors were performing poor today. Pharma was not that good today, but not bad too. So as usual, the mid caps and small caps are performing well, and we have much to uh, move on that category. So keep focusing on that and also on the banking stocks and the reality sector. Today, the huge breakouts are from DLF and SPIC, and you can see emphasis also. There is a huge breakout today. So the focus continues to be on the mid caps and small caps. HDFC AMC 20 points. So the HDFC twins are performing very good at this level, and I think this is a level we should start accumulating on the HDFC twins for the upside move. So today FIDA data suggests that FI had sold for 1,304 crores and DAs had bought for 1,336 crores. Again, a huge sell and a very good buy. So let's focus for tomorrow now. And I'm expecting an all-time high tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That should be broken, and it should start moving on the upside. So next, the focus should be on when the market may reverse. So as of now, there is no words or I mean like no comments as when market may reverse. Another, I'm expecting 200 to 300 points on the upside because it has already made a very good basement here. So it should be on the upside only. So you can see the basements and all around more than a month. It has made a very good basement levels here. So that's all, guys. Hope you like this content. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have any queries or comments, please post on the comment sections, and I will let you answer on that. Thanks, guys. Good night. Bye.